sell something and they are shouting, pisang, 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 pisang. It means banana. They sell banana, so they shout, banana, banana, banana. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with Fitriani Ponno. Ponno. Okay, this is morning day in Indonesia. So my morning routine is always, this is my bare face, pillow face. I want to drink coffee. Oh no, not coffee. I want to drink tea, because if I drink coffee in the morning, I get like I have to eat first before I drink coffee. Yeah, because if I drink coffee without eating, sometimes I get throw up, muntah, throw up. So I have to drink first. Let's start to learn bahasa Indonesia. This is tea. So when you want to say I drink tea in the morning, I drink tea in the morning. So you can say saya minum teh di pagi hari. Saya minum teh di pagi hari. I drink tea in the morning. Saya minum teh di pagi hari. Or if you drink coffee, so you can say saya minum, my daughter. Hi, good morning. If you drink coffee in the morning, so you can say saya minum kopi di pagi hari. If you drink milk, saya minum susu milk di pagi hari. So you only, this is not they didn't pay me for it. It's only my class. So that's all. And sometimes when I drink tea, still my mom prepared meals for me, like pisang goreng, pisang goreng, like fried banana, pisang goreng, or biscuit. So I drink coffee, I drink tea, and eat the meals. But today I eat this Roma kelapa. I eat biscuit. So if you say I eat biscuit in the morning, saya makan biskuit di pagi hari. Saya makan biskuit di pagi hari. So if you say I eat biscuit in the morning, saya makan biskuit di pagi hari. So you can say like this. I drink tea in the morning with biscuit. Saya minum teh di pagi hari dengan biskuit. biscuit. Yeah. Did you get it? Did you get it? Yeah. Easy. So easy. So before I'm doing my activities, I drink in the morning. So if you want to greet someone in the morning, you can say, "Selamat pagi, good morning. Selamat pagi, good morning." Okay. If you want to offer them to drink with you, you can say, "Let's drink with me." Ayo kita minum. Mari kita minum. Let's drink with me. Mari kita minum. Ayo. Let's go. Let's drink. Mari kita minum bersama-sama. Let's drink together. Mari kita minum bersama-sama. Motorcycle. It's very noisy. Okay. This is biscuit. Do you want to drink with me? Mau minum dengan saya? Do you want it? Kamu mau? Do you want it? Kamu mau? Apakah kamu mau? I offer you this biscuit. Apakah kamu mau? Do you want it? You are far away. If you come to Indonesia, you can eat this. So many in supermarket. This is not endorsed. No, this is not endorsed. But my family likes to eat this biscuit, whatever is that. So many kind of biscuit in Indonesia. So I can choose whatever I want to eat. Enak. Yeah. In the morning, so too much noise because so many people go around to sell something. They sell bread, they sell fruit, they walk around and sell something, and they are shouting, "Pisang, pisang, pisang, pisang." It means banana. They sell banana, so they shout, "Banana, banana, banana." Like that. Pisang, 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 pisang. Or if you hear just now, tick, 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 it means they sell bread. Bread. Tick, tick, tick. All right, guys, that's the end of our lesson now. Maybe at night or maybe at noon I will take a video. But yeah, this is my morning routine, and see you next video. I waiting for you in Indonesia. Please contact me. Okay, and if you like this video, you can press super thanks. If you want to send me something, you just press super thanks for me. Okay, if you like this video, you can subscribe and share on your social media. See you, bye bye, and God bless you. See you, bye bye. Sampai jumpa. See you, bye bye. Sampai jumpa. Bye bye.